Hi, there again, Angel from House of Imports, building this beautiful truck for my old customer, Jody Stevenson. This is the third truck he buys from me. He comes back, he likes what we built. This is a beautiful truck, fully restored. The color he wanted it, white and red, with the big flotation tires, quality paint job. MBE 607. Two-tone, he wanted the American flag. He wanted red, white, and blue. Look at that interior, look at the seats. Custom job. Full restoration. Aluminum trays. Brand new tires, brand new rims. Headlights, waterproof and explosion proof. Heavy duty bumper for Jody. 2 inlets, 1/6 discharge. Yeah, he wanted the USA, he wanted an American flag. Red, white, and blue. High quality restoration. Fabrication. This is a real beauty. 4,000 gallons. Look at that front end, all polished. Heavy duty bumper. Quality, craftsmanship, and guarantee. And also, made in the USA. Made in the USA for Jody. And the engine is completely, all the oils changed. Fuel filter, oil filter, belts, air filter, fully restored to showroom condition. And again, remember, quality, craftsmanship, and a fair price. Quality, craftsmanship, and a fair price.